फकत दाखोवपा खातीर निलंबीत करप ही गजाल चुकीची. जर कर्मचाऱ्यांकडल्यान कितें चूक जाल्या जाल्यार ती चूक पयलीं तपासप आनी मागीरूच निलंबीत करपाचो निर्णय घेवप. घाई गडबडीन कोणाकूच निलंबीत करचें न्ही हाचो कर्मचाऱ्यांच्या मानसिकतेचेर परिणाम जावं येता. काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कालूस फरेरान भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेच्या निलंबनाच्या स्टंटाचेर उलोवप केलें. बेरेस्तारा भलायकी मंत्र्यान गोंय दंत महाविद्यालयाक अचकीत भेट दिल्ली. थंयसर 2 नर्सी पेशंटा बरोबर गैरवर्तन करतना दिसून आयिल्ली. तेन्ना मंत्र्यान जाग्यारूच तांकां निलंबीत केल्लें.
I don't agree. For publicity, you mistake X suspend केलो, X suspend केलो. And मागीर आनी 2 म्हयने सगळे काबार आनी सगळे इसोतले. It's not like that. Even a suspension in law, आमी कायद्यान म्हणटा, does not cause any stigma. But in real life, it pains the individual. It pains the family. And the family also suffers. So one should be very careful when you exercise this drastic power of suspending. Don't rush to suspend. I also don't believe rockada gun kaldon farmer law. You must do it carefully. You must do it with a reasonable head. When you sit there as a minister, you must be more level-headed. And you have to act more wisely, more cautiously, and then take decisions. When you mean what you say, it must be also given full effect till the last.